Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide. Today I'm here with another video to show you guys how you can log in into your SelectMedical employee account. First of all, and on the search engine, go into the search bar and just type in SelectMedical employee login and hit enter. After doing so, many links will be pop up in your screen. Go on to the first link that shows up on your screen. After doing so, it will take you to the official site of SelectMedical. Here you can see is a button to click here to access the alumni portal. Click on it. Now it will take you to a different site. We need to scroll down in order to log in, or if you are not already logged in, register to SelectMedical. Here, go on log in. Now after clicking on login, it will take you to a different site where you need to put your username and password in order to sign in. Here, put your correct username and correct password and hit on login. Then you will be signed in into your SelectMedical employees account. So guys, this must be this video. If you find our video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to leave a comment for reviews and more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.